Hi, I'm Nick Coman with Dragonfly Creative, and we've got a little hack for you. This one is about serger threading. So I've got 6 sergers. Well, at least that I can count. And it's not because I collect them, it's just because I never get rid of the old ones when I get a new one. A couple of my sergers are older, and several of them are non-air threading, especially the industrial. And they're difficult to thread. So my new best friend is the Oral-B Glide Pro Health Threader Floss. And it's not because it gives my pearly whites like special cleaning. It's because, and I've got one right here, this, you might think I've got the floss in my hand, but look at this. It's stiff on top. So they have this little point here that you can thread through any of the holes. Now I've used different things to thread the serger. This one, however, is absolutely wonderful because it has this long thread attached to it. So then all you do is you're going to take the floppy end and tie it to your serger thread, and just a little overhand knot works beautifully. If I can tie a beautiful overhand knot, there we go. And then you pull that, and then you go ahead, and once the thread is tied to the end of the floss, I can then go ahead, like these guides on this particular serger. By the way, this was my first serger. On this serger, these guides are fairly easy to thread, but you get to the loopers, and those can be difficult, especially if you're threading that thin serger thread. So I've tied my thread to the end of the floss threader, and now I'm going to just take that stiff part and I'm going to put it right through the looper. And once you get that through the looper, you can reach up, grab it, and then pull that thread right through. And there I've got the looper threaded. Isn't that wonderful? So get yourself some floss threaders. They're very cool. This is Nick Coman with Dragonfly Creative.